Hey guys, in this video we're going to discuss on how to divide integers. So this is division of integers. So more or less, division of integers is just like the same with the rules in multiplying integers. So if we're going to divide like signs, so negative divided by a negative number and positive divided by a positive number, the result here will be positive. The same with multiplication of integers. And if you're going to have unlike sign, so negative divided by a positive number or a positive divided by a negative number, the result here will be negative. So if we're going to divide like sign, the result is positive. Unlike signs, the result will be negative. Okay, let's have examples. Example number 1. Let's have negative 5 divided by negative 1. So 5 is negative and 1 is negative. So you're going to apply division of like signs. So if we're going to divide like signs, the result is positive. So negative 5 divided by negative 1, the result here will be 5. Negative 20 divided by negative 4. So negative 20 divided by negative 4. So you are dividing here like signs, so the result will be positive. So 20 divided by 4 will be equal to 5. Okay, next one, let's have positive divided by positive. Let's have 12 divided by 3. Positive divided by positive, the answer here will be 4. Another one, let's have 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, let's have division of unlike signs. It's negative divided by positive and positive divided by negative. So again, the result for that will be a negative number. So example number 5, negative 15 divided by 5. Negative divided by positive number. So again, the result is negative. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. The result is negative, so you're going to have negative 3. Another example. Negative 24 divided by 3. So negative divided by positive, so the result is negative. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. So negative 24 divided by 3 is equal to negative 8. Positive divided by a negative number. 6 divided by negative 2. So positive divided by negative, so you're going to have a negative number. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 6 divided by negative 2, the result will be equal to negative 3. Okay, let's have our last example for this video. 8 divided by negative 4. So 8 divided by negative 4, positive divided by negative, so the answer here will be negative 2. Again, let's recap. If we're going to divide integers, we're going to follow the rules, same rules in multiplying integers. If you're going to divide like signs, negative divided by negative and positive divided by positive, the result is positive. And if you're going to divide unlike signs, the result is negative. I hope the video helped you a lot. So thank you and goodbye.